Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. In this class we will discuss about the introduction of human circulatory system and three main components of the human circulatory system. If you are watching first time my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press on the bell icon for the new updates. So let's start. Introduction of the human circulatory system. The human circulatory system is also called cardiovascular system. Why we call it cardiovascular system? Because it consists of heart and blood vessels. Look in this diagram. This is a heart and these are the blood vessels, vein, artery and capillaries. These three are the blood vessels. And this system is also called a transport system of the body because it transports the minerals or material to overall the body. That's why we call it the transport system of the body. The system supplies the nutrients and remove the waste products from the various tissues of the body. Is called a human circulatory system or a system which supplies the nutrients and carry the waste product from the human being or from the parts of human being. That is called a human circulatory system. And this system supplies or transport the nutrients through a media. That media is in the liquid form. The name of that media is blood, which is flowing in the closed tubular system. That means the media which transport the nutrients, gases and minerals into the our body, that media is a blood which is flowing in the closed tubular system. Closed, it means the media or blood confining or flowing in the closed blood vessels. That's why we call it a closed human circulatory system. So there are two types of circulatory system: closed type circulatory system and open type circulatory system. Open type circulatory system is present in the insects and the arthropods, but in all higher animals, mammals, the closed type system is present. So overall, what is the human circulatory system? The human circulatory system is a system which transport the nutrients and carry the waste product from the various tissues of our body. That is called human circulatory system. And we call it a cardiovascular system because due to the presence of heart and blood vessels and the media which transport the nutrients into our body, that media is a blood. And we already studied about the blood, composition of blood in previous classes. So what are the functions of cardiovascular system in nutshell? That the human circulatory system transports the nutrients, minerals, hormones to the overall body parts for the nourishment, and in return it carry the waste product for the removal, and it also help in the gaseous exchanging. It means carry the oxygen gas to the respiration and in return carry the deoxygenated blood from the body parts for the oxygenation, and the blood is transported or flowing into the closed tubular system. That's called closed type circulation. And the organ which is pumping the heart blood, that organ is a heart which pumps the blood into the blood vessels. And what are the three main components of the human circulatory system? And they are blood, blood vessels, and heart. In previous classes, we have discussed about them. Blood, composition of blood, that means cellular components, and plasma. If you haven't, that link is available in the description. And the blood vessels, there are three types of blood vessels: artery, vein, and capillaries. First of all, artery will divided in, or converted into the arteriole, and arteriole will convert into the arteries, capillaries, and supply the nutrients and oxygen and carry the waste product and a deoxygenated blood from the tissues and make a venule. After the venule become a vein, and vein carry the deoxygenated blood from different tissues to the heart. And this is a heart is a main or backbone of the human circulatory system. And inshallah, next classes we will discuss about the blood vessels and heart, the structure of heart, functions of heart, location of the heart. So dear student, this was about the introduction of human circulatory system and the main components of the human circulatory system. Khuda Hafiz, wassalam.